one of the co-founders and CEO of careerflow.ai. Today's topic is about the future of job hunting with AI. So as you know that 73% of job seeker actually find that job search is one of the most stressful processes in their career. And one of the reason is that they never see and get an opportunity to talk to a recruiter because they get rejected because of something like applicant tracking system, which majority of the companies use as a first step before they shortlist your profile. So they face a lot of rejections and like they are not sure why I'm not getting an interview call, and they just go into a lot of depression and things like that. So that's where we launched an AI solution where we provide features around resume, LinkedIn, cover letter, job tracker, mock interview, and end-to-end one-stop solution for your job search at one place. So this is a three-way marketplace that we have launched in, where we are currently focusing on job seekers, as well as we are partnering with the career service or career centers in the universities and different organizations. So if you are part of the career centers or helping the job seekers or students directly, we are happy to partner with you and work with you. Then we will also be introducing employers soon on our platform so that they can also hire job seekers directly from the platform. This is a simplified job search process. As you can see, that you actually start preparing the document, you search and apply for the jobs, or you do that through networking. I actually found a lot of job seekers coming and networking with us. And then you start preparing for the interviews. Once you land, start getting interview calls. That's where you start going into the interview process, and hooray, the last step, you start getting an offer, you do salary negotiation. So it seems like a very simple process, but it's actually in reality, it's not that simple. Here we have our first feature, which is an AI resume builder, which helps you by providing different types of templates. We provide you helping using AI prompts. You can actually customize the prompts and you can generate and rewrite your whole resume from top to bottom. We also provide you skill recommendations based on your job descriptions. Plus, we actually give you an option where you click on one button and it helps you rewrite your resume from top to bottom for 10 different jobs that you're applying for. Plus, our system actually supports 25 different languages, and we are also integrated with 100 plus job boards. So if you're applying for a job on LinkedIn, Indeed, Monster, Handshake, or any other job board, we're integrated with that already. We also have a job fit analyzer, and as well as we have a job tracker, which is working with 1,000 plus job boards across the globe. And you can come in, and also it gives you a score that how much is your skill matching with every job description that you're applying for. Then you can actually use those skills and put it back to your profile and then apply for the role. We have a Chrome extension that actually you can go and download. And when you go back to your LinkedIn profile or you go back to any job board, you can actually see that it shows you that these are the skills which are missing. It gives you the top skills which are matching with the profile and the missing keywords. And then you can use those keywords and put it back and update your profile accordingly. Or you can go back to the university, or you can go back to the learning and you can learn about those skills and then put it back to your resume. Then definitely, if you want an AI generated cover letters, we have it on our platform. You can definitely customize, and we provide different templates like Harvard, Stanford, and other templates. This is one of the templates example that I can show you. Many of you might ask me how you're different from ChatGPT. This is a common question that is being asked. In that ChatGPT, you have to go back and give a lot of prompts and again get optimized. In this case, you just have to upload your current profile, either your LinkedIn profile or your resume, and you select the template, and it can help you create a creative and optimized cover letter for you. You can also generate it directly from the Chrome extension from any of the job board that you're using for. We also have autofill. Autofill is basically where it can autofill your application. So one of the biggest problems with the job seeker is that they don't want to fill the lengthy job applications in the process. So we have automated that as well, that you just click on the button and autofills your application when you're applying for different roles. I just wanted to. So this is a small video that we have prepared. So happy to talk more, and definitely this is a QR code for anyone, any of you working as an organization, as a career coach, or even as a job seeker. If you are looking for jobs and if you want to come and interact with us or even book a demo, please feel free to scan the code. We are more than happy to talk to you. And I think the mission and vision of the company is to help millions of job seekers, help them land their dream job. And I hope you can join us to achieve that mission. Thank you, everyone.